We're working with inequalities, and in this video we're going to do two things. First, we're going to check to see if a given value is a solution to our inequality, and we'll follow that up with doing a story problem about inequalities. To check a solution, all we have to do is take this value and plug it in. So this is an x value. In place of x, I'm going to put -7 and see if that ends up giving me something that's true or something that is not true. So that gives us 3 times -7 minus 5. We want to see if that is less than 2. 3 times -7 is -21, and -21 minus 5 is -26. -26 is indeed less than 2, so that is a true statement. That means that this worked in here, so it is a solution. Yes. Now we're going to test out the 16 for p, so here's our value for p. We're going to replace that with the 16. So we get 2 times 16 minus 8. I'm going to divide that by 2, and we want to see if that is greater than or equal to 15. 2 times 16 is 32. So we get 32 minus 8 divided by 2. 32 minus 8 is 24. So we get 24 divided by 2, which is 12. And we wanted to see if that was greater than or equal to 15. It is not, so this is a false statement. That means that this is not a solution to that inequality. So if it ends up being true, it is a solution. If it ends up being not true, this is not a solution. So let's go take a look at our story problem over here. In this story problem, it says the winner of a weightlifting competition bench pressed 400 pounds. The other competitors all bench pressed at least 23 pounds less than that. So we need to write an inequality that represents the weights the other competitors bench pressed. Now when I'm writing problems, I always start by writing a variable. So W is going to represent the weights that the competitors bench pressed. All right, so I'm going to write down W. We know that that was less than the amount that the winner bench pressed, and it was less than that amount by at least 23 pounds. So if we take 400 and we subtract 23 from that, we know that the weights they bench pressed were less than this amount right here. This can be simplified if I do 400 minus 23 and I say W is less than 377. The last part of our question right here is a question that says, was one of the other competitors able to bench press 379 pounds? Well, if we take a look at this, 379 is not less than 377. So this is not true, which means the answer to this is no. All of the competitors were less than 377, so this was not possible. Thank you very much.